Let's run through how to connect to your cloud providers in Slingshot. Now there's two different ways and areas that you can connect to your cloud providers. First is if you come up here to your avatar and go to settings, and then come down to apps. Here is where you can connect to your different apps. So if I click add, I can connect to Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, and SharePoint. These connections allow you to attach files to conversations, so your messages, attach them to tasks, as well as use your Excel data sources for creating dashboards. Connecting to these is super easy. All you have to do is select your preferred platform, sign in, grant access, and then you will be automatically connected. You can see after I finished the sign-in process for my Google Drive account, I am connected here, and I can always edit and delete this now. If I wanted to, I can also come here and I can add additional sources too. The other way is when you are actually attaching or pinning something. So if I come to the plus pin and I go to my documents, you can now see that my Google Drive is also right here, but I can always add other ones right from right here. So if I had a SharePoint account that I wanted to add into here, I can do it right from the flow that I am going to look for that specific file.